My name is Tanya Kakre and I'm 21 years old. I'm an influencer and I've done makeup for about a year or two. I came to Alia Baig to learn bridal especially, and I think in the 3 weeks we covered everything starting from basic face shapes, foundations, concealers, highlighters, contour, how to bake, to how to do signature eyes, Alia Baig signature eyes, how to do cut crease. And I had a lot of basic knowledge, but what I really loved throughout the course was how differently her eyes are done, and I think that's what I mainly came to learn, and it was beautiful and I had a wonderful time. I think she's very patient, and I think she's the kind of teacher who sees, she doesn't just teach because the curriculum has to go a certain way, but she looks at students individually and sees their strengths and their weaknesses and where they can go right and how much they have progressed, and then accordingly she goes on that pace and teaches you. So for me, as I wasn't a beginner, so I needed a little bit more like extra, advanced things, and she worked with me. Like, she made sure that I got what I needed from the class. At the same time, there were beginners who didn't even know, basic how to like put a foundation, and she made sure that by the end of the class, both the students, extreme students, were able to gain something out of it rather than just coming in and learning the same thing. I think in the beginning when I came, I missed the first day and then I came on the second day, right? So second day of class they were teaching foundations, and first I walked in and when they said foundations I was like, oh okay, I know all this, and I immediately felt like, okay, I'm going back to basics. I did a whole year of this, how am I gonna it's gonna be boring. But then at the end of the day I kind of just told myself that, just think of it as an open book. Just try to see everything that she's telling you. Maybe 90% might be repetitive, but there will be a 10% that you will learn something new, because her techniques are not the same as anyone else's that I have seen. So I think that's what I did, and what I learned was, even though I knew the basics, there were so many things that she taught me. For example, baking. I honestly did not know how to bake. I wasn't that good at it, and she taught me through that. She taught me with how to do with really bad acne skin. That was also something I struggled with a lot in the beginning, how to cover it up, how to have that. And I think, so I just focused on all the parts that I knew that I could gain out of this, and by the end of it, I think I learned more than I thought I ever could. My favorite part of her was, again, like I said, the eyes. One thing that I learned from her was how to be able to apply these different types of eyeliners. I think that's what, when you see she does the Pakistani eyeliner, she does the dramatic cat eyeliner, she does these different kinds of eyeliners that really intrigue me, and it's honestly very, very difficult to get. And when I watched her do that, I think that was my favorite part, and that was one thing that I'm going to take with me, because when I did an entire 1-year course in Canada, I practiced liner every day, and I was really, really bad at it up until I came to Alia Baig. And somehow, I don't know how, within these 2-3 weeks of me practicing, I've been able to do it extremely well. So that's one thing I'm taking with me. Sure. When I came in, I wanted to be able to walk out with at least 2 to 3 bridal looks that I can say that, okay, these are things I've learned outside from what I know already. So yeah, I definitely walked out with that, and I'm very, very satisfied. I wasn't sure when I walked in, because I was very iffy if I should go for it, not go for it, should I just do a one day class, or I wasn't sure. But now that I have, I'm really, really glad I finished it, because I got to learn a lot.